Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Naughty Threads. In case you're here for the first time, do consider subscribing and also hit the bell icon to get all the video updates. In today's video, I'm going to teach how to make this crochet tulip design using silk thread. In the past, I have posted this video without voice using Kamal Kadai thread, and from then on, I have been getting a lot of requests from you guys to post it with explanation, so that is why I am here today. Now in case you have any doubts, please feel free to leave them in the comment section and I'll clear them for you. So for this one, I have just used the normal silk thread along with our regular crochet hook. It looks very nice, especially if the saree has two colors, so do give it a try and don't forget to share your pictures. And now without any delay, let's get started. The needle I am using today is number 10, which is 0.75 mm, and I am using 5 strands of silk thread. This is the body color I have taken. The saree has just two colors. This is the pallu, and I am going to start off with the contrast color. So the base is very simple. We just have to work a 3-chain base. So I'll start off by fixing the knot here, and then work 3 chains and a single crochet. So this is the first step. We'll just have to continue till we reach the end. I finished working the base and I've turned the saree. So this end is towards my right again because we'll have to work back on this foundation. So this step, I'm starting off with 1 chain and then single crochets, 3 single crochets in each chain block. It's a very easy step. All you have to do is 3 single crochets in each and every chain block until you reach till the end. The second step is complete. I've again turned the saree so that the working thread is towards my left and this edge is towards my right. Now we'll work 4 chains, and then starting from here 1, 2 and 3, we are going to skip 3 stitches and then do a double crochet. So this will actually count as 1 V-stitch. So the second V-stitch again 1, 2, 3, we'll skip 3. 1 double crochet, 1 chain and 1 more double crochet in the same point. So this way you will have to continue. In this step I have finished working all the V-stitches and I have cut the thread because this is where I am going to join the other color, that is this color, the pallu color. So holding both together I am going to make 2 knots. Now I'm going to start from this first stitch here. Work 5 chains, 3, 4 and 5, and 1 double crochet in between these two V stitches here. Again 2 chains and 1 double crochet here in between the next two V stitches. So this is how this step will continue. So 1 double crochet and 2 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 chains. Just continue till the end. This step is complete. So I have also worked 1 double crochet here in the 5 chain gap, and now I have turned the saree. After you turn the saree, we'll make 2 chains and 1 single crochet in this double crochet. And 2 chains again. Turn your saree like this and work 4 double crochets in this gap. That is the gap between the 2 chain blocks. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. I've made 4 stitches. So the first 2 chain stitches will also count as 1 double crochet. So in total we have 5 stitches here. Then turn your work back like this and we'll start working double crochets here under this first double crochet like this. This time we'll work 5 stitches. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So once that is done, you will have to fold it like this and work a slip stitch here. So this is how our first tulip will look like. Again we'll just continue 2 chains and 1 single crochet here, 2 chains, turn your saree and 4 double crochets in this gap. So after 4 stitches, again turn the work. The next stitches will be here under this one. So this part will just continue with 2 chains and 1 single crochet on the double crochet, 2 chains again, turn the work and work 4 double crochets in this gap, in between the 2 chain gap. So after 4 double crochets, turn the work again, and then we'll work 5 double crochets under this stitch here. So after 5 double crochets, just fold it like this, and we'll work one slip stitch here in the starting 2 chain space, and that completes the tulip. This is how you'll have to continue. So every pillar here or every double crochet here will have a tulip like this. Here's the finished look. It takes a very long time to finish this design, but the end result is really amazing. It is very good for someone who doesn't like beads. Even without beads, because of this, the fold, it looks very nice. It kind of gives a 3D effect. It's not flat unlike our regular arches. So that's something unique about this design. Now in case if you really want beads, you can add them in the first line, but I somehow prefer not using beads unless and until the client asks for it. So this is how it has turned out. Earlier I posted the same tutorial without voice using Kamal Kadai thread. So in case you guys have tried, please do share pictures on Facebook or WhatsApp. Now this is the first time I've used silk thread, and I worked one complete saree of this design. So I hope you guys like this. Do give it a try, and you can also share the pictures on Crochet Club by Naughty Threads on Facebook. So I guess that's about it. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Pinterest and Instagram. Also consider joining us on YouTube. I welcome all the new members. You will be getting all the perks that we have promised. So the discount coupon will be out very soon today. I will be posting it in the community section, and only the members can see this. So don't delay, start placing your orders as we have already added some new products. And apart from that, I would also request you guys to subscribe to Naughty Vlogs. So I think that's it for today. I shall see you soon with more interesting stuff. Until then, take care guys. Bye bye.